When it comes to land surveying in Rohini, there is one name that stands out: Land Surveyor Rohini. With years of experience and expertise in the field, they have become the go-to surveyors for all land-related needs in the area. Whether it is a residential plot or a commercial site, their team of skilled professionals ensures accurate and precise measurements, leaving no room for errors. Land Surveyor Rohini understands the importance of reliable surveying in the planning and development process, and they strive to deliver the highest quality services to their clients. One of the key services offered by Land Surveyor Rohini is SCON Design. SCON stands for Site Conceptualization and Optimization, and it plays a crucial role in the design and development of any land project. By combining their knowledge of land surveying with their expertise in design, Land Surveyor Rohini is able to create efficient and aesthetically pleasing layouts for their clients. SCON Design takes into account factors such as topography, accessibility, and legal requirements to ensure that the land is utilized to its full potential. Located in Delhi, Land Surveyor Rohini is well connected to all parts of the city, making it convenient for clients to avail their services. The team at Land Surveyor Rohini consists of highly skilled professionals who are well-versed in the latest surveying techniques and equipment. They are committed to providing accurate and reliable surveying services to their clients, ensuring that all measurements are done with precision. Land surveying is a crucial step in any land development project as it provides the foundation for all subsequent planning and construction activities. By hiring a professional land surveyor like Land Surveyor Rohini, clients can be assured that their project will be based on accurate measurements and data. When it comes to land surveying in Rohini, Delhi, it is crucial to hire a professional land surveyor who possesses the necessary skills and expertise to accurately measure and map out the land. A land surveyor plays a vital role in various aspects of land development, construction, and property management. Their primary responsibility is to determine the boundaries and dimensions of a piece of land, as well as identify any potential issues or obstacles that may affect its use or development. In Rohini, there are several land surveyors who specialize in providing their services to clients in the area. One such land surveyor in Rohini is SCON Design. With years of experience in the field, SCON Design has established itself as a reliable and reputable name in land surveying. Their team of skilled and knowledgeable surveyors utilizes advanced technology and equipment to ensure precise measurements and accurate mapping. Whether it is a residential, commercial, or industrial property, SCON Design is equipped to handle projects of all sizes and complexities. The role of a land surveyor extends beyond simply measuring and mapping